Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at an RPS-LR case sealer with automatic changeover. Servo major flap openers reliably open major flaps to prevent interference with minor flaps that would impact case integrity. A servo minor flap tucker completes the same process for the minor flaps. Glue is applied to the minor flaps before servo major flap closers provide consistent and reliable flap folding. The machine also comes with an additional tape module for applications requiring the addition of tape over glue or in place of glue. The HMI allows for easy, automatic changeover with the push of a button in just 20 seconds. It doesn't require any special skill and is 100% repeatable. All of the actions in this machine are servo controlled for high reliability and low maintenance. To arrange a plant tour or equipment demonstration to see this machine in person, visit our website or give us a call to find out more. Thanks for watching.